Hello everyone, I'm Hemant Bhatt and I'm a consultant with Encryption Consulting. This video is going to be about Intune's design models. When organizations integrate Microsoft Intune, they have the option to select from various deployment models tailored to their specific needs and infrastructure requirements. These models offer a level of flexibility and control, allowing organizations to manage their devices and applications. Our agenda for today would be first, to understand different phases of Intune development and configuration, then talk about different design models, and finally compare them with each other. Deploying Intune involves several crucial phases, which are planning, deployment, management, and optimization. In the planning phase, you need to clearly define your goals, scope, and desired functionalities. In the deployment phase, you select your preferred model, cloud or hybrid, and configure settings. In the management phase, you enforce policies, distribute applications, and vigilantly monitor compliance. Finally, in the optimization phase, you continuously refine your Intune setup for enhanced efficiency and security. As your digital support, Microsoft Intune offers two distinct frameworks for device management: cloud and hybrid architecture. These models assist IT decision makers and architects in pinpointing optimal solutions for their workloads and in making decisions pertaining to fundamental infrastructure components like networking, identity, and security. Let's first talk about the cloud architecture model. This model provides a straightforward and efficiently managed approach, making it an attractive option for organizations seeking agility. It dictates how components integrate to ensure the security, sharing, and scalability of resources across a network. Some advantages of this model include simplified management. There is less administrative burden and the deployment is straightforward because on premises infrastructure is absent. Also, scalability is easier in the cloud only deployment in case the organization expands as the cloud provider manages the underlying infrastructure. However, there are some drawbacks. Limited control and customization. There is restricted control over on premises resources. This can affect scenarios requiring specific controls or configuration. Now, let's delve into the second model, the hybrid architecture model. This model extends on premises data solutions to the cloud, providing flexibility and control over data and services managed by the organization. It is particularly beneficial for organizations that require greater control over on premises resources for efficient resource utilization. Pros of the hybrid model include enhanced control. Organizations are provided with greater control and customization options for on premises resources. This is beneficial if there are specific regulatory or security requirements. Flexibility. It allows organizations to capitalize on existing on premises investments while leveraging cloud based management features. However, there are some cons. First is increased complexity. Careful planning and management is required for integrating cloud and on premises components, which can lead to a complex deployment. Resource requirements. The maintenance of on premises infrastructure demands additional resources, both in terms of hardware and personnel. Now, let's compare how these models differ from each other. The cloud model suits organizations prioritizing simplicity and relying on cloud services for most operations, while the hybrid model is more suitable for organizations with specific control requirements over on premises resources. The cloud model offers seamless scalability without the need for extensive infrastructure planning, whereas scalability in the hybrid model depends on both cloud and on premises infrastructure considerations. The cloud model may suffice for organizations with less severe compliance requirements, but for compliance needs necessitating on premises control over certain data or processes, the hybrid model is a better option. The cloud model requires fewer on premises resources, whereas the hybrid model demands resource allocation for maintaining both cloud and on premises components. Intune has provided us with two deployment models. Each model possesses unique strengths and is well suited to specific types of scenarios, rendering them invaluable tools in the realm of design. I hope you liked the video. For any queries and more of such content, you can contact us at info@encryptionconsulting.com or visit www.encryptionconsulting.com. Thank you.